today's video, I'm gonna show you how I've been washing my hair now that I have this protective style on, that is the crochet braids. I already have a Spanish video on my channel on how I do wash my hair when I have crochet braids, but in this time I have been doing something differently. So even though if you have already seen that video, that I'm gonna link it right here, I encourage you to keep on watching this so you can see like the difference. So let's get started. Alright, now I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna use. First of all, and I think the most important thing for this wash day is with what I'm gonna wash my scalp. I'm gonna use apple cider vinegar with the mother. I'm using this Sonoma Harvest. I think I got it on TJ Maxx. It's a really big bottle, but as I've heard that you can do so many things with the apple cider vinegar, I decided to buy this. This is organic and with the mother. It is really important that it says with the mother because you can like see some, you can say nasty things. I don't know, some weird things like in the bottom, so you have to shake it up, but that means that this is like more natural. The apple cider vinegar helps you improve your scalp's health, it strengthens your hair and it gives shine. It is antimicrobial and it is known as a home disinfectant, so it will help you to clean your scalp and remove the product residues. It also helps you a lot with dandruff, and I've tried it and it really works. So how are you gonna use this? You should not use it like by itself. You have to dilute it in water. So what I do is that I take this applicator bottle. If I use like 1 part of apple cider vinegar, I will use like 2 or 3 parts of water. So that's my mixture for today, or my, I can say that's my shampoo for today. And that I'm gonna apply it on my scalp. All the thing that I'm gonna use is just water in this spray bottle, and it would just help me like get the conditioner in this hair so I can like loosen up. The conditioner I'm gonna use today is the Tea Tree Tingle conditioner by Trader Joe's, and of course I'm gonna need some clips. Let's get started. So as I usually part my hair on the side, I'm not gonna part it in the middle, I'm gonna part it on the side here, and here in the back, yes, I'm gonna do it in the middle. That's it. Now I'm gonna get this hair out of the way because I'm not gonna work with it like right now. I'm gonna start with the other side. Now I part my hair here, like behind the ear, so I can work with this back part first and then with the front part. It is really tangled, and as this hair is not natural, you gotta know that you're not gonna get every tangle out. So what I do is that I take one section, I wet it a little bit with water, and I use a little bit of conditioner and smooth it out. As I told you, remember, you're not gonna get every tangle out, but you should like try to separate the curls as much as you can. And I just use my thumb like to get into the hair and try to like separate it. As I have several wigs with this protective style, it's kind of tangled, really tangled. So I'm not gonna worry like that much because I know I'm not gonna get them out. Now I go in with the apple cider vinegar and water mixture and start putting it on the scalp, like inside the braids. And then I just try to rub it in as much as I can. When I'm done with that section, I just take a clip and put it right there. Now I can work with another section. I'm just gonna do the same thing. Now I just get that section with the last one that I work with. And I just repeat that in the entire head. Now that I'm done with this side, I'm gonna clip it out of the way so then I can work with this other side. I already finished with this part. So now I'm gonna take a shower and let the water run down my hair, and then I'll be back to show you what else I do to this hair. And voila! What a difference here, right? But I don't care, here we're all family, and I just got out of the shower. I just wrapped it in this towel so it can get the excess water out. And now I'm gonna style it. Well, it's not styled because I'm just gonna put some conditioner in and that's it. As you can see, this type of hair maintains its curl pattern. I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description box just in case you wanna know or you wanna buy this type of hair. So it don't look like it, but it is wet. I'm gonna part my hair where I usually do, so here. As I'm gonna work in sections, one more time I'm gonna clip this part out of the way. So I'm gonna work with this part, and as always I'm gonna work in sections. I'm just gonna use a little bit of conditioner. I'm gonna use this time the Afro Love conditioner, where I'll just a little bit and rub it into the hair. That will just help me to keep this hair smooth, and the smell, it's amazing. I'll continue to do that in all the sections. And now before I wrap it up, I'm gonna put a mixture of oils that I have here. I think I have here castor oil, coconut oil, a little bit of almond oil, and I'm going to oil my scalp. So it means that I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil in each part of my braids, and I'm gonna smooth it in with my fingers. This will help to keep my scalp moisturized, and as it has castor oil, it's gonna help to strengthen my hair. Done it in the front, I'm gonna do it in the back just randomly. As I have an applicator bottle and an applicator nozzle, it's easier for me to get into the braids. Now that I am done with that, I'm gonna split this hair in half, and I'm gonna do 2 twists, one in the back and one in the front. Crazy person, I know, in a warm temperature, just to help this hair and my hair in the braids like dry a little bit faster. Just in case you don't see me in this specific day again, it's because if I'm not planning to leave the house today, I just leave my hair in these twists and go to sleep, and tomorrow when they're completely dry, then I'll just take them down and that's it. So see ya.